Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tess Tasty channel. Today magluluto ako ng pasta shrimp with mushrooms. So ito yung aking mga ingredients, guys. So this is my pelled prawns and the other one has a shell. And we have our spiral pasta, sauce for mushrooms, all-purpose cream, brown onion, red bell pepper, chicken stock, and our garlic. Disclaimer lang guys, itong yung aking mga ingredients, binili ko ito ng sarili ko, okay? Walang sponsored dito guys, okay? So, umpisahan na natin. So, unang-una guys, maglagay tayo ng 6 cups of water sa ating wok para sa ating pasta. Pakuluin natin muna ang ating tubig. Malapit na siyang kumukulo guys kasi medyo mainit na ang nilagay ko. So, maglagay tayo guys ng asin. 1 tablespoon of salt, rock salt. Maglagay din tayo guys ng 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito na yung cooked pasta ko, guys. Okay? So, ito yung frying pan natin, guys. Una-una, pakuluan muna natin ang ating shrimp, guys, with a little bit of salt, konting cracked pepper, calamansi juice. Lagay natin ang ating, or 2 minutes lang siguro. So, tama na. Ito. Ilagay natin ito at lagyan ng ice. Okay? Ice ko guys, oh. Ice. Ito yung ice. Para konting butter lang. Lagyan natin konting garlic. ating brown sugar. Ito na yun siya guys. Mga toppings natin ito. Magawa na tayo ng ating pasta sauce guys. Guys ng oil. Ang ating chicken broth cube. At ang ating brown. Lutuin muna natin ito guys. Maglagay tayo ng kunting tomato paste guys. Half tablespoon. Tapos ilagay natin ang ating peeled prawns. Tapos ilagay natin ang ating minced bell pepper. Ang ating mushrooms. Maglagay tayo ng oyster sauce. Maglagay tayo guys ng ano lang, 4 tablespoons of cream. Yun lang muna guys. Maglagay tayo ng sauce. Wow, pasta baby. Ulang eh. my final product. This is pasta shrimp with mushrooms, okay? Kita nyo guys, ito yung lunch namin for today. So if you're just new to my channel guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Have a good time. Happy Sunday everyone. God bless. Bye.